friends, my name is Arlene and today we're going to try TeckWrapCraft Sublimation Transfer Paper, so stay tuned. You can find TeckWrapCraft Sublimation Transfer Paper over at TeckWrapCraft.com. The package comes with 100 sheets and you can use it on white color polyester fabric. You can use it on coated mugs, plates, caps, puzzles, mouse pads, rock frames, glass frames, you name it. And the important thing about the TeckWrapCraft sublimation transfer paper, once you take it out, you will notice that it has two colors. One side of the paper is pink and the other side of the paper is white. TeckWrapCraft, on their website, they suggest us to use the white side to print our designs. If you use the pink side, as I did, you will get a fainted design. So let's follow their recommendations to use the white side of the paper. That way we can get the most out of the product. Today we are going to use it on a coated mug that I bought from Amazon. This coated mug, it's color changing, it's heat sensitive, so once it gets hot or a warm liquid, it's going to change and it will reveal the design. I'm going to use a picture and let's do it. Let me show you how the mug looks. Remember that if you are going to use sublimation transfer paper, you will need a printer with sublimation ink. We bought this printer about a year ago and we only use it for sublimation. I am going to use heat-resistant tape to go around the mug. I am going to apply all the pressure I can around the mug, and I am going to use also a convection oven. That's I don't have a heat press for mugs, so I use my convection oven. I use it specifically for sublimation. I don't use it for anything else. We are almost done. I am removing the tape and I am going to remove the sublimation transfer paper and you will be able to see the end result. The mug is already turning black, so you won't see the colors as vibrant, but I am going to add a picture at the end of the video. This is how it looks. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching. This was Arlene from This Is Our House. I hope you have a great day.